Hello guys, so to create a glow like this is really simple, right? So first of all, we're gonna take the circle, we're gonna create a circle right here, right? Then we're gonna select the inside and we're gonna go here to change the color. Now we don't want a solid color, we want a radial gradient, right? So the part of the inside, I'm gonna set it to yellow, like a really bright yellow, like this. And then on the outside we're gonna have like a orange type of color, and here in the alpha we're gonna set it to 0 because this is gonna be the opacity. Then we get rid of the border, and that's it guys. We have ourselves a little something going on here, you know what I mean? We got this cool glow. We can change the size or whatever we want, and that's it. Simple as that guys. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Bye.